What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? How you doing today? What's up, you guys? SkinnyBoyRandy here. Hey, you guys. How you doing? How you doing? Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. You are the best. You are absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for being here. You could be anywhere in the garden universe, but you choose to spend a little time with the SkinnyBoyRandy, and I greatly appreciate you guys. Oh my God. I'm using a new camera. I'm using my laptop today, you guys. And I hope it comes out clear and you guys can see and hear me. I love you. You're the best. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. We love having you here. Click like and subscribe if you're new. Yes, join the family. Click that like and subscribe button. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down. Just the two middle fingers. Okay. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Also, leave a comment. Share with all your social media, you guys. I greatly appreciate all your comments. Also, head on over to my Facebook group, Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are also welcome over there. If I can't answer a question, you can get it answered over there because they're the best group in the world. Okay. I'm just kidding, you guys. I love you. But yeah, they are the best group in my eyes because they're following Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy. But also, don't forget to go out and check out a lot of different Facebook groups, you guys. There are so many great ones, and I don't want to start calling out names because then I'll leave somebody off. And I love them all. So, just want to talk to you today about garlic, how to grow your garlic, planting your garlic. If you've been following me, you know I did a video a few weeks ago, November the 1st, on planting garlic in containers and little small raised beds out in your yard. So today I'm going to give you an update. And for anybody who didn't catch that video and wants to know about growing garlic, it's very easy, very simple. And we're just going to dive right into the video. Okay? So normally with your garlic, what you want to do is plant it 30 days before your first frost. And we've had our first frost, our first snow, our first everything. Mother Nature has been, whoo, 2020. I tell you, we just don't know. But yeah, you guys, you want to get it normally started 30 days before your first frost, which I did. And sometimes that can be too early because you just never know what Mother Nature has in store for the weather. Look at it. We're in the second day of winter, and it feels like a spring day almost. Yeah, you guys. So Mother Nature is thinking it's time to grow. It's time to grow, and that's okay. So if you started your garlic, whether you started from the clove, which I started mine from a clove of garlic from the grocery store, and you just go in and you try to pick out the best ones you can. And all you want to do is just peel your garlic. Here, you guys, let me get you down here. Can you see me? Just want to take and peel our garlic. Let me move this out of the way. And this garlic, I see a sprout coming out of this garlic already. It must have touched some water somewhere. You guys, it doesn't take much. Okay? And I suggest not planting it until you break it from the mother bulb, I call it. Yeah, this must have gotten moist because I see growth, you see? But it's okay. We can take it and make it work. It's already growing on its own. That's how easy it is to grow garlic, you guys. So yeah, you would just take this, bury it about a thumbs deep down in the soil, and let this piece root out. And what you'll get in a few days is this. Can you see it? Now this is garlic that was just sitting in a little champagne glass of rainwater. It actually fell and it just started growing on its own. Yep. Now also, you can plant your garlic in containers. Just make sure it's deep enough and you space them apart. Sometimes your garlic will double up on you. See that? That was one clove, but it turned into 2 sprouts. Now, you might be going, oh my God, it's growing too fast, it's growing too soon. It's okay, you guys. Sometimes it does that. There's a difference. Now, it's not growing to produce the garlic. It's growing to get itself established in the soil. So when you plant 30 days before your frost, normally the winter comes and it just stops everything. But since it's been warm and the soil temperature is not as cold, it's going to produce some green. And that's great. Because what it's doing is absorbing energy for next year. So don't think, oh, all is lost. It's sprouting too early. It's going to flower. No, you're probably only going to get a few leaves. Now, if you choose to, you can cut these down. I cut them a couple of times since November the 1st, but now I'm just letting them be so they can get as much energy as they can before we really start to get some snow. And the same thing with the ones that you put in the ground, you guys. These are the ones that we planted together over here. Now see how they're coming out of the ground? Strong and healthy. But this is a good sign that my garlic has taken to this ground, this soil, and it's saying, hey, I love it, I love it, I love it. So all I'm going to do for winter is grab some of my old leaves I'm grabbing some of my old leaves, you guys. Free mulch. Can anybody say free mulch? And this just give it a little bit of protection from the frosty nights and the freezing temps when they do come. It don't have to be pretty, y'all. We don't do pretty because, oh God, we do productive. We ain't got no money to try to be pretty. Everybody got no money. So yeah. But when they start to sprout like that, that's okay. They're just absorbing a little energy. That lets you know that your garlic has been established. You guys, you didn't make a mistake. You're not doing anything wrong. They will go into dormancy when the real winter weather hits and freezes that ground. They're going to stop. But the greenery up top is going to absorb more energy from the sun, even during the winter, which is going to give you a bigger bulk of garlic for next year. Okay? I hope it helped you out a little bit. Thank you guys so much. Oh, also, when planting garlic, you just want to go down about a thumb's deep. Yeah. I didn't show you how to plant the bulb, did I? Yeah, when planting your garlic, when you get your pot, smooth it out. Nice and smooth. And just take your thumb and go down about a thumb's deep. Just like that. You guys know what a thumb's deep is. And you would take that clove that I just showed you guys. Or if it didn't have the stem on it, you would do the same thing with the bulb. You want to put the root side down, which is the bottom. Whenever planting your garlic, put that root side down, just like that. Now to plant this one in here, let it grow by itself, I would just drop it in there, cover it back up. I don't want to cover the greenery. Just like that. Don't make it rocket science, you guys. It's not that hard. You can grow your own garlic and keep saving your food, because we ain't got no money to be going to the grocery store buying garlic when we can grow it right here. Because garlic costs money. I love you guys. You're the best. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, live, love, love. You guys, grow stuff and eat it.